Welcome to Nickel or Area Location. I am Nilanifah Drone, and today I will take you to explore the amazing nature around us. This place is one of the nickel or producing locations that has not been managed. Here we will find various ecosystems that live side by side, from towering shady trees, winding clear rivers, to expansive green hills. This kind of beauty is indeed worthy of being captured and shared. To provide a different perspective, I will fly a drone to capture the wonders of nature from an unusual perspective. Let's start our aerial journey. Amazing, isn't it? The beauty of from above provides a completely different perspective. We can see how every element of nature works together to create perfect harmony. I hope the drone footage above gives you an idea of how important it is to preserve natural beauty like this. The wonders we witness today are a legacy for future generations. If you enjoyed this virtual journey, don't forget to share and subscribe for more nature adventures. See you on the next expedition.